I believe hindi lang ako nag-isa. Pagkain Maria, an older than the word comfort food. Kung magagamit na natin sa every now and then. At maraming salamat sa mga maraming knowledge ng mga parents. Progression of flavor, malasa to masarap to malinamnam. Nayanayon, this is not my favorite word. And the last line from our speaker where she mentioned about there is history in every dish and a story in every bite. Sounds so beautiful. And of course, from our second speaker, Mr. Gustav, talking about social media, because this is one of the challenges to not only to give information but to promote knowledge of social media and use it well, actually. He also mentioned about how he tried to cover the stories of our country, different culture, and the book of Trade of Control by Alexander de Urquiza. So thank you very much also for sharing different accounts that we can also watch and follow. I'm sure marami na dyan kanina nag-check up on the audience when you show different pages. What I like about the audience, again, they open their Instagram account and they search for those names. No? So very thankful for that. Next one is, of course, about coffee. Siyempre, my favoritism ako kasi I love. My bosses know that I really love coffee. And thank you for giving us the information about the number of production and consumption. And of course, now we know that there's 4 varieties of coffee, such as Robusta, Excelsa, Arabica, and Liberia. And that we can also support coffee tourism or coffee production, coffee farms, etc. through GCash and different movements like PhilippineCoffeeBoard.com. And it's actually, I'd like to highlight the words, know where your food came from. Very interesting. So let's support our farmers, of course. And then the story about kari-kari, very interesting. This is the first time I know about it. So thank you so much. Yun pala, yun ang history ng kari-kari. Because when you look at internet, super dami natin makikita ng stories. Different. It's very unique. Na marinig talaga siya kung someone who really knows about the topic. Thank you, sir. And it's actually, I'm very proud. I didn't say that I'm 100% Kapampangan blood with Viasa. I'm actually Lugtu from Minalin. So, knowing that I came from Kapampangan, oh my gosh, tumimig ang balahibo ko kanina. Kari-kari. Started in Pampanga, and imagine it's an extremely popular dish in the Philippines. And Kapampangan was established in Cagayan, in Manila. And thank you so much for sharing to us the study about, ko siya, from Professor Nuestra Castro from UP, conducted a study about ethnoarchaeological study, pagkilala sa mga magpapalayo, ang kaso ng palayukan sa Pasig 2021, or identify specific palayong kutong kari-kari. Yeah, that's so interesting. And of course, thank you so much, sir, for sharing with us the story about Cavite cuisine, bridging the past and present. I may not know more about Cavite, but this time, thank you so much. Goosebumps, sir, for the knowledge. So thank you for sharing us the Ugnayan Center for Filipino Gastronomy, connecting Filipino gastronomy to the world. And thank you for sharing us. It is a laboratory for accommodation of practical knowledge. And I'd like to take a copy of your books, sir. I'm gonna look for it. Super highlight natin siya. Dila at Bandila ang pangbansang panlasa ng Pilipino. Thank you so much for that, sir. And very interesting. I'm sure people now are gonna look for the activity that our speaker mentioned a while ago. Sampalan ng side mirror sa Cavite. I think this is your favorite because when I heard the title, sir, talagang na-capture mo yung kanilang interest sa program na ito. Thank you for sharing the strengths and opportunities in Cavite, particularly in terms of food industry and agriculture. So I hope I was able to capture some important items. Thank you.